Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Conrad K Sangma Kyntait ya ke jingkynnoh bakadan ke jingtih Uranium Ri-Lum Garo. Haba pynpaw bakamdan satia kano ke sakhi satar ni ke jingtip ban kyrshan ya kum ke jingkam. Kamdan satia kano ke kam la ni ke sakhi la ni ke jingtip ke bapini bakum ke kam kelayat hakathan. Ong Conrad haba ekran berkilat patai kubor haga sni balang haba jubab ya ke jingkynnoh badangshen da MDC ke BGP Natura Bernard N Marak. Ulakin tu yuni unang yalam san perthai bakno abun wan chakmat bat ki jingtip babnia lem bat ki sakhi haba kular baka sarkar kan le ai marmar ada shem ya ka sakhi.
There is no any kind of activity or any kind of evidence or any kind of information that has to reflect that any kind of such activity is going on. Leaders in responsible positions should not just come out with statements just because they want to grab attention or maybe just make a statement. If it is the case, then definitely it's a matter of concern. And if it is so, let him come out with the details and the proof. And definitely, if there is any such problem that's happening, Government of Meghalaya will be the first one to act on it. I have made our position very clear that we are very firm that uranium mining should not take place. And there could be situations where some incidents could be there which may not have come to the notice of the government. So if there is, and if the evidence is there, and if information is there, then please give that to us and we'll be more than happy to act and take necessary action on it.